Shopify Klaviyo Integration tutorial, how to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be breaking down how you can integrate Klaviyo, which is a email marketing platform that can help you in automating multiple different marketing solutions into Shopify. And Shopify is one of the world's largest website builders, and having both of these integrated together can help you in boosting sales and optimizing your business. So to get started, simply head on over to shopify.com and click on settings on your bottom left. Then you want to click on apps and sales channels and then click on the Shopify App Store on the top right. Now we are going to be going into the search bar and just search for Klaviyo. And once you search for Klaviyo over here, you will find multiple different applications. So the two applications you're actually supposed to install is Klaviyo Reviews and Klaviyo Email Marketing and SMS. So we're looking for primarily the SMS and email marketing features. So we're going to go into Klaviyo Email Marketing and SMS. So once you open this up, you're going to click on install over here. And once you click on install, you will be led back to the Shopify installation page. Over here, you're going to click on install application on the top right. And once you do that, you'll be led to the Klaviyo installation page. So over here, you're going to log on to your Klaviyo account, or you can always create your new account on Klaviyo. If you don't have an account on Klaviyo, go to klaviyo.com and click on sign up over here to get started. Now, after that, you will get a verification code. So you're just going to verify your Klaviyo account because you're going to be logging on. And we are just going to copy this and add it over here. And then we're just going to log on to Klaviyo. And once you do that, this will open up the Klaviyo integration where you will see Shopify integration. So you guys will see integrations and then Shopify is enabled. Then on the top right, you can disable or enable the integration. So making sure that Shopify is enabled in your Klaviyo integrations, you can click on Shopify from over here to see more details about your particular integration. So once you have completed this, you should be able to go back into your Shopify store and go into apps. Then you will have Klaviyo email marketing available once you go into the app section. So if we open this up over here, this will show us Klaviyo. Now, this is our store URL. This is our on-site tracking. And if you scroll down, you have from Shopify and to Shopify. So what are the settings or data from Shopify that Klaviyo should receive, and what should be sent from Klaviyo to Shopify? Now sync your Shopify email subscribers to Klaviyo, and you can select the particular list that they should be subscribed to. Below that, you have some recent data and historical data. And then if we go into the to Shopify section, let's say I want to sync this data to Shopify, where I want to sync all profiles or all email subscription statuses. If you already have your customers added to Klaviyo and you were using Klaviyo as your primary email marketing tool, and you had collected or manually added all of your customers from Shopify to Klaviyo, you can let it sync up all the profiles. However, if you were previously using Klaviyo for a different business and these are not the same customers, don't sync your profiles from your Klaviyo account to Shopify, only sync from Shopify. Now, once you have completed this, you can get started with building your sales funnels or your marketing funnels on Klaviyo. So if I click on campaigns over here and I take a look at the filters on the top, I have multiple different types of filters. So this will show me what kind of customers I have in multiple different campaigns: refunded orders, placed orders, ordered products, checkout started, canceled order as well. It also shows me multiple different flows that I can build for my customers' journeys. So as you guys can see, I can build a flow for canceled orders or any type of other filter. Then I have some basic reviews and sign up forms, as well as your audience, and you can go into your lists and segments over here to further categorize, or you're going to be able to see the categories in your Shopify segmentations. Then you have your profiles where you can see individual contacts that you have, as well as content that you might have. So any pre-existing templates you want to use to get started, any lists or segmentation based audience segmentations, any images or brands you want to associate. So you can go into the images and brands section and directly upload your assets over here instead of having to manually do that over and over again. So I can go into upload images and click on select images. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take, let's say I want all of these images in my Klaviyo account, so I can do a bulk upload over here. And once I've completed this, all of my images have been added. Now, once we've done that, we can go into our analytics to further monitor, but let's get started with building our campaigns in Klaviyo. Now, if I go into my Klaviyo dashboard, this will show me my conversion metrics based on multiple different segmentations as well as time periods. I can go ahead and activate flows, build campaigns. Now, I'm going to scroll down and click on send a campaign. Now this will open up the campaign section, and on the top right you can click on create campaign. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to build your campaign name, and let's say this is going to be our welcome campaign, and then you have multiple different types. So if this is a push campaign, SMS campaign, or an email campaign, I want this to be an email campaign, and then I can enter specific tags as well, but I'm just going to click on save and continue. Now after that, you have to choose your segmentation. So this will actually show you all of your Shopify segmentations, and this will show people that have engaged, people that are subscribed to your newsletter, people that are VIP customers. So let's say I want to only add people that are subscribed to our newsletter. And you can also exclude certain recipients as well. So if you have a certain segmentation of people that you don't want to include, you can add those over here as well. So let's say I want to add potential customers or any other customer segmentations that do not require this particular send to. Now, after that, you have skip recently emailed profiles. So people that just received an email from you should be skipped. Let's say I don't want to skip them. I want this to be sent to all of my customers. Now below that, you have your estimated recipients and your tracking parameters. So you can choose to include tracking parameters and you can customize them as well. I just want to include tracking parameters. And then I'm going to click on continue to content on the bottom right. Once I do that, I can add my subject lines. We can add, the basic information, and then you can use the drag and drop editor to get started with building your email. Klaviyo has multiple different types of emails to help you get started, and I'm just going to use this template and we can customize it and add our logo, add our own info into the template. And to do that, just click on any section, and from the left you can edit the section, and then you're going to click on save over here. Once you've completed that, you can continue to review your entire campaign on Klaviyo, and you can schedule or send it directly. So you can schedule to send it at a fixed date or time, or you can do a gradual send over a couple of hours. So let's say I want to do a gradual send, and especially if you're offering coupons or discounts, I like to do a gradual send because that helps in making sure our site is not flooded with customers. So let's say I want to start at 1 p.m. and then after that, I want to send it to like 33% of the recipients per hour. And then within like 4 hours, all of my customers would have it. So I can click on schedule over here. And just like that, you can build easy and simple Shopify email marketing campaigns using Klaviyo. And I don't have to necessarily worry about, going into my Shopify customers, importing all the data, exporting it, exporting all of the data, importing it into Klaviyo. Instead, you can make sure everything is integrated and it's sent to your customers directly from Klaviyo, and you don't have the hassle of converting your data from here to there. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.